Hey guys, so we're back in the home office again. We are getting ready to do a checkup on the little silicone degradation experiment that you've seen before, but it's gotten kind of gross. So I'm gonna grab a pair of gloves and I'll be right back. So, science, let's do this. Hey, so gloves are on, jar is ready. Let's pop it open and see what's actually hanging out in there. Ah, fuck. It's slippery. This is a problem. I had not anticipated this. Alright, let's try this again. Aha! And thus the ingenuity of woman triumphs. Also, fuck silicone lube. Alright, so as you pop it open, you can see everything has kind of gotten larger and bulgy. Let's really break into it and see what's happening in here. Ooh, look, the silicone degraded. So when I went to pull on this, it actually broke. The silicone has reached a point where, come here, come into focus. You can actually see where it's changed. So, I have acquired a very large, very sticky dinosaur tongue, which is similarly degraded. Look at that. It actually just tears apart. I definitely wasn't expecting that. Structurally, it actually looks fairly sound. If you look at the details, there hasn't been any degradation of surface texture. Nothing like that. But there's definitely some structural deformation because it is just tearing apart far easier than I ever would have thought. And last is the little skull. As you can see, the silicone that was in there has become incredibly viscous. And the skull actually has stood up the best, partially because I can't get a grip on it to tear it. So that's actually our best surviving piece of silicone yet. As you can tell, there is almost nothing left in the jar. What is an incredibly viscous goo. So, definitely a mess. Definitely not the sort of mess I was expecting. What I'm going to do for phase 2 is leave these pieces out and exposed to air for a while. Let's see what happens with the residue, if there's some kind of, I don't know, quasi-oxidative reaction or something. So I will pop these up and out of the way of pet hair, and we'll just kind of see what happens. So there's that. Yeah. Thanks for following along with this. This has been a nifty little experiment. If you have variations on this that you want me to try, I have plenty of these. Just leave me a note in the comments and I'll see what I can do. And let's see, important news. There's now a Ko-Fi button up in my header. If you like what I do and you want to buy me a coffee, I'm totally down for that. Otherwise, like, subscribe, leave comments, you know, the usual.